2x square plus 9x plus 9 equals to 0. We are going to solve this quadratic equation by formula. So we can write this one first. Compare. We need to compare the equation with the standard quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Where we can write a equals to a means the coefficient of x square, which is 2. B, it means the coefficient of x, that means 9. And then c is a constant, which is 9. We know the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, where we know we can write x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. Now we will substitute the value which we already get from this equation. So first minus b is a 9, so minus 9, then plus minus root over b square, it means 9 square, minus 4ac, 4 times a means 2 times c means what, 9. Now 2a, 2 times a means 2. Okay, so we can write here minus 9, then plus minus root over 9 square is 81 minus 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 9 is a 72, divide 2 times 2 is a 4. So finally we get here is a minus 9, then plus minus 81 minus 72, it's a root 9, right? Because 81 minus 72 is a 9, here is a root, and here is 4. Okay, so finally here is a minus 9, then plus minus root 9 means 3. Okay, so here is a 4. So this case, what will be the answer? If plus, then it will be like x equals to minus 9, then plus 3 divide 4. Now minus 9 plus 3 is a minus 6 divide 4. So our answer will be, once you divide this fraction by 2, so here is a 3, here is a 2, so our answer will be minus 3 by 2. Similar thing, if minus, that case x equals to minus 9, then minus 3 divide 4. So minus 9 minus 3 is a minus 12 divide 4. So our answer will be minus 3. So finally we get, so x equals to minus 3 and minus 3 by 2. It's a OR, right? It's a OR. So this is our answer. I'm trying to solve step by step. I hope you cleared this one. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. Thank you. 3 minus 4x minus 2x square equals to 0. We are going to solve this equation by a standard quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So first we have to find out what is a, b and c. Where we can write, where a equals to, a is a coefficient of x square, which is minus 2. Then b is a coefficient of x, so it's a minus 4. And finally c is a constant, which is 3. Okay, so x equals to, we know this one is a minus b plus minus a root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. Now here is a minus b means minus 4 plus minus root over b square, it's a minus 4 square minus 4 times a means minus 2, then c means 3, then divide 2a, 2 times minus 2. So we can write this one, once we are trying to solve this one step by step, minus and minus, it will be plus. So plus then it will be plus 4, then plus minus root over minus 4 square means 16, then minus and minus it will be plus 4 times 2 8, 8 times 3 is a 24, and then 2 times minus 2 it will be minus 4. So 4 plus minus root over 40 minus 4. So this one we need to some calculation. What? Root 40. So we have to find out a perfect square, which is like 4. So 4 times 10 is a 40. Root 4 means 2. Root 10 means like this. Okay. So 4 plus minus root over, so 2 root 10 divide minus 4. Okay. So this one we have to keep now. Now we have to find out what is the value of x. Like once positive, then x equals to 4 plus 2 root 10 divide 4. Okay, so we can write 4 by 4 plus 2 root 10 by 4. Okay, so it's a minus, right? It's a minus. It's a minus. So 4 by minus 4 it will be minus 1, and then it's a minus 4 divided 2 is a 2. So we can write this one is a root 10 by 2. It's the first part. Okay, it's the first part. So what will be the next? Next part, once negative. So x equals to, here is a 4, then minus, then 2 root 10 by minus 4. So 4 divide minus 4, and here is a minus, right? So here is a minus 2 root 10 divide minus 4. So this minus and minus it will become plus, right? So here is a minus 1, and then plus 2 by 4 is a 2. So root 10 by 2. This is our answer. So here is a two answer. One is a minus 1 minus root 10 by 2, and another one is a minus 1 plus root 10 by 2. So I hope you cleared this one. Have any question, please write a line in the comment section. Thank you.